Hi guys, Alan here again. In this video I want to look at some options for upgrading the lighting on my milling machine. So I've got a couple of considerations. I want some lights that are nice and bright to help my older eyes, brighter the better, but also the lights have to be done in such a way that it doesn't interfere with the camera. So really I think that means the lights have to be up high looking down so the camera never accidentally looks at the lights. So this is the lighting method I've been using up till now. There's a couple of magnetic LED lights stuck to a steel beam and pointing down at the job. They actually work fairly well from an illumination point of view, but they're not very convenient. They hang down rather low and they get in the way. So I'm hoping to come up with something which is less intrusive in my workspace. So I've identified a couple of options, and the option I want to look at first up is what I can do with what I've got on hand. And the stash has provided some stuff. I've got a couple of old or unused small LED floodlights. I've got some rail here which is used for mounting solar panels, and it's got lots of slots and things, so it's really quite a versatile fixing element. And it comes with these brackets, and you might have seen me playing around with one of these in an earlier video. But anyway, so the brackets make it easy to mount it. I've got the lights. It's a no cost option, so I'll see what I can do with that to begin with. Right, it'll be something like that. I might shorten it yet. That's the length that came to hand. The idea is to be able to hang lights here. Anyway, let's get a closer look at how I'm going to fix it. So my intention is to pick up on these two motor mounting bolts and use these brackets to hold that bar. But to make these guys fit here, I have to knock these corners off. So then that's the next thing. Oh, and drill these holes out to 3/8. So that's the next thing to do, and then we can do a bit of a mock-up. So there's the first bolt. Okay, I can see that I need to round that back corner off to allow the bracket to come parallel with the front of the beam. So that's why I have to just nick these corners off. So we'll do that now. Okay, so that's rounded those corners off, and I think we should have enough clearance now for these to be fitted. Let's just see. Yeah, got heaps of clearance now. That'll be fine. So the way this system works is simple but really quite clever. These brackets have horizontal grooves, and the track has matching grooves. So when you put that on there and you put a bolt through there, it holds it very nicely. Even with normally if you had just one bolt it'd pivot and mess about, but these grooves, matching grooves, stop that from happening. So you basically put one of these special nuts on the end here, on the back, and slide this in. Just make sure I get it the right way around, and get it to position. And with one bolt you got a very secure fastening thing, and of course it's slotted so you can get height and adjust it wherever you need it. So I've already got the two brackets mounted up on the machine now. We'll put the rail up and see what it looks like. So I can see one potential problem straight away with my hoist here. I'll keep that in mind. Okay, well that's got the bar fixed and the lights installed. So the lights do actually put out a useful amount of light, although not as much, I don't think, focused on the vise as those magnetic ones. But the bigger issue is more that the spill from the floodlight is just annoyingly bright and too much in my face. So having the lights behind me as well as above me was clearly the better option. So, time to take comfort from an old bit of wisdom. No experiment is ever a complete failure. It can always serve as a bad example. So I've got to come up with another alternative, but that's going to be for the next video. Thanks for watching.